Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. In today's episode, we're going to be unboxing a couple of diecast pullback patrol bikes with sounds and lights manufactured by Plaking. And let's see what scale size collectibles these fit in with. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, to begin with, these diecast patrol bikes got delivered in foam wraps as you can see. So let's go ahead and get these opened. And as we get these open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Now let's begin by taking a closer look at these pullback diecast bikes. Well, at first glance these diecast models look quite premium and has a solid build quality to them, and as you can see, one of these are patrol style motorcycle and one is styled like a superbike. And although these are not licensed diecast models of any particular model or make, they have quite a bit of details to them and are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components of ABS plastic, which makes them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality and measure in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 3 inches in width, and weighs in at about 181 grams per model. And I should admit that although these are not licensed replicas of any sorts, I still love the sturdy build with these models, and the branding details are spot on as well. And these models also have a pullback mechanism which makes it functional too. And what's more fun is that these models come with lights and sounds as well, which excites me. So let's go ahead and take a look at these awesome diecast motorcycle models. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding these premium diecast pullback models in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations, and with these pullback models you're guaranteed a sturdy replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, and are also recommended for children as they are of a sturdy build. And based on their sizes, I would like to let you know that you can add these models to your 1/12 scale motorcycle collection, as there's just a small size difference and can be matched up without sticking out. So let's take a look at a side-by-side comparison of these models alongside a licensed 1/12 scale Honda CBR 1000RR diecast replica motorcycle. Well, as I mentioned earlier, and by the looks of it, I should admit that these diecast models can sure be added to your 1/12 scale diecast motorcycle collection without any major visual differences, and they should blend right in without a problem. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these models in a 360-degree view. And just so you know, these models are available in 3 variations, and on order a random color and model will be sent to you. And here are a few fun facts. A pullback motor is a simple clockwork motor used in toy cars and bikes. A patent for them was granted to Bertrand Fred Francis in 1952 as a keyless clockwork motor. Pulling the toy backward winds up an internal spiral spring, a flat spiral rather than a helical coil spring. When released, the toy is propelled forward by the spring. When the spring is unwound by the toy is moving, the motor is disengaged by a clutch or a ratchet, and the toy then rolls freely onwards. Often the clutch mechanism is geared so that the pullback distance needed to wind the spring is less than the distance the spring is engaged propelling forward. And for further information on this particular topic, kindly check the link in the description below. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these diecast pullback motorcycles are your favorite. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones any one of these diecast motorcycles that are featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these pullback diecast motorcycles are your favorite. And I would like to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. Kindly continue to support Dnation and stay tuned for all new exciting episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this unique unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.